Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Today, it's actually Sunday. Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper here. So I've decided to solve the yesterday's newspaper. The yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, May the 28th, 2022, almost end of the month. Yesterday I've solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And today, on Sunday, we will do the other 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku I will do, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will do the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 4620. Yes, 4620. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. In this case, no digits, letters, 27 letters. We have here 27 printed letters, and those letters that we can use are the K, the M, the I, the U, the R, the E, the T, the P, and the A. And the goal is to solve this word in this row. It's a Dutch word. I will translate it later in English. If it's with digits, then 27 printed digits, then my time limit for the letters for the Sudoku will be faster than 50 minutes, but for a letter Sudoku I need more time. So 15 to 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan. B, okay. We have a P in the first column, the P in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the P should be there. P. Okay. Then KK. Yeah. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in the first row, so no K in these 3 boxes. So the K could be here, could be there. K in one of those 2 boxes in this first column, K in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. We see there K in this row, so no K there. K should be here. Yeah. 4 missing letters now in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the E and the A. We have an E and A in this row, so no E and A in these 2 boxes. The E and A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. E and A. E and the A. So what are the other 2 letters in this big square? Those letters are, the R is missing, and the U is missing. R and the U. R, U. Alright, so 2 missing letters now in this row. For the letters, M is missing, and the T is missing. M and the T. MT. Do not know in which box. So I mark those boxes. Alright. So we have a K in this row, the K in the last row, so no K. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. We see there K in the middle column, so no K there. K should be here. Alright. Then. How about? Well, we have 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the M and the T. We have an M and a T in this row, so no M and a T in these 2 boxes. The M and a T goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. M and a T, M and a T. We have a T in this column, so no T there. T should be here. And the M goes there. So what are the other 2 missing letters in this big square? The letters R is missing, and the E is missing. R and the E. We have an E in this column, so no E there. E should be here, and the R goes there. Now we have an E there, so this box can't be E anymore. That box should be an E, and this box should be an A. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter I. I is missing. Right. U A U A. Okay. Yeah, the T in this column. The T in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there. T should be here. A in this row, A in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A in this column, so no A in this box. The A is supposed to be there. A in the first column, A in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the A should be there. A, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We have A in this column, so no A in these 3 boxes. Here an A in the first row, so no A in those 2 boxes. So the A could be here, could be there. A in this column, A in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the A should be here. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters R and the U. R and the U, let me mark those. All right. Okay. Then. And let me see. The T in the third row. The T in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there. T should be here. Okay, U. M is missing here. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an M. We see here an M in this column. So no M in this box. So the M goes together with the K as a pair. M and a K, M and a K. We have an M here in this row. So no M in this box. The M supposed to be here. And the K goes there. So now we have 1 box left. 1 box left in this big square for letter I. Let me think. K, R, and a U. R and a U. E, K, P, A, T. T, okay. I'm thinking. We have an E in this column, E in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see here an E in the middle row, so no E in this box. The E should be here. 1 box left in this third column for the letter. M is missing, yes. M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an M. We have an M in the middle row, so no M in these 3 boxes. Here an M in this column, no M in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the M. Should be there. M in the last column, M in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. And we have a P in the last column, P in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the P should be there. 1 box left in this column for the letter K is missing here, the K. Okay. So we have a P in the 3rd row, P in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see that P, no P there, P should be here. P in this column, P in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see that P, no P there, P should be here. Then the U is missing. Okay, U. I'm thinking. U in this row, 3rd row, U in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the U should be here. 2 missing letters in the 1st row for the letters R is missing. And the E is missing. R and the E, R and the E. We have an E in this column. So no E there. E should be here. And the R goes there. So we have R in this column. R in the column next. So last column. Only place left for the R should be there. 2 missing letters in the last column for the letters I is missing. And the A is missing. A and the I. Yeah, A and I. So 1 box left in this big square for the letter K, I believe. K, yes. Alright, 2 missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing. And the letter U is missing. I and the U. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those boxes. So here we have also 2 missing letters in the middle row, the U and the I. We have a U there, so no U there. U should be here. And the I goes there. 1 box left in this big square for letter I. We have I in this row, I in the middle row. So no row above, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see then I, no I there. I should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for the letters R is missing and the U is missing. R and the U, R and U. Cannot fill this yet. No. Okay. How about these 2 missing letters in this column? R is missing. And the K is missing. R and the K. We have a K there. No K there. K should be here. And the R goes there. Now we have an R there. So this box cannot be an R anymore. This box should be an U. And that box should be an R. Now we have an R there. So this box cannot be R anymore. That box should be an R. And this box should be U. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the letter T in this row, T in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the T should be there. Now we have a T there, so this box can be T anymore. That box should be a T, M and a T, and this box should be an M. We have solved the word ruimtepak in Dutch. In English, space shoot. Yeah, space shoot. Alright, in 40 minutes. Let me continue. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. U is missing and the M is missing. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here and the U goes there. Now we have a U there. So this box can be U anymore. That box should be in U. And this box should be in R. R in this column. R in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R. No R there. R should be there. And I've eliminated the A. So the A goes there. Now we have an A there. So this box can be A anymore. That box should be an A. And this box should be an I. Final 2 letters in this big square for letters. I is missing. And the E is missing. I and the E. We have an E there. So no E there. E should be here and the I goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need more time than 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars puzzle. Sudoku with 2 stars, then I will do the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.